Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. Welcome to our English session. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 12, that is verbs. Let us see. Verbs. A verb is an action or a doing word that asserts something about a person or thing. Okay? So verb क्या है? Any action or anything doing. Okay, that is something about a person or a thing. Okay, it tells us what person, an animal or thing do or does. Okay, like for example, you will see Mohit kicked the ball. So what did Mohit do? What is Mohit doing? He kicked the ball. Okay, so here it tells us, verb tells us what the person, place, animal, thing are doing. So Mohit is a person and he is kick the ball. So it is what it is doing work, means what he is doing. Next is the peon rings the bell. What does the peon do? He rings the bell. Then next, the sun shines in the sky. What does the sun do? It shines in the sky. So look at the picture and read the sentence given below. Okay, here word like kicked, rings and shines express action. Okay, they are doing or action word. What the thing, what the name, animal, things are doing, person doing, they express it. Okay, their action, what they are doing. A word may indicate the present, the past or even future tense. Okay, some words denote our action or what we do. A word may indicate present, past, even future. Most वर्ब डिनोट our action और what we do. Most वर्ब क्या होता है, वो एक्शन को डिनोट करते हैं और क्या बताते हैं हम क्या कर रहे हैं, what we do. Here some more example about that is sit, brush, comb, write, swim, dig, plow, whip, run, shot, awake, jump, read, rise, blow, go, catch, play are the examples of verbs. Next is Rohit is a player. Mrs. Verma is a rich lady. Monica was a naughty girl. All these verbs. A verb also tells us what a person, an animal or a thing is. Okay, means it is a verb that denote being. Okay, the word is and was tell us about Rohit, Mrs. Verma. Okay, Monica respectively. So is and was tells us about what they are doing. This word do not tells us what these persons are doing. Okay, the word is was tells us about, they are not telling about what they are doing, but they tells us what they are. ये वर्ड हमें यहाँ पे मोनिका वॉज अ नॉटी गर्ल, ये मोनिका क्या कर रही है वो नहीं बता रहा. क्या बता रहा है ये, ही इज टेलिंग व्हाट दे आर. क्या है वो, मोनिका क्या है, नॉटी गर्ल है. मिसेस वर्मा रिच लेडी है. ओके, एंड मोहित इज अ प्लेयर. मोहित क्या है, प्लेयर. तो यहाँ पे डूइंग वर्ब नहीं बता रहा, क्या बताता है कि वो क्या है. ओके, here are some more verbs that tells us what person or thing are, like is, am, are, was, were. Okay, so was, were, will, shall, these all are tells about what person or things. Okay, a verb tells us what a person, animal, things has. Okay, Here you can see example. Monkey has a long tail. Riya and Priya have many toys. So the word has shows what belong to the monkey, and the word has have shows what belong to Riya and Priya. Okay, this is the verb that denote possession. Okay, the word has and had are not doing word, but they tells us about the belongings. उसकी पोजीशन बता, belongings उसकी है. ओके, रिया एंड प्रिया हैव मैनी टॉयज. तो रिया और प्रिया के पास क्या बहुत सारे टॉयज है. एंड मंकी हैज़ अ लॉन्ग टेल, सो इट डिनोट्स व्हाट, द पोजेशन. ओके, like I can give you more example, like we have dessert after dinner. Okay, the player will have a cup of coffee before playing. This is denoting what the person. Okay, the word has and have doing tells us doing what, but they tells us about the belong, the possession of that verb. Okay, and has have also tells us about the action happening at the time. Okay, like in present tense, past tense. Okay, has and have use the tells us about an action that takes place in the present. Has and have कब लगता है, जो present में होगा. Had in the past tense. Okay, so students, this is for all today. I hope you like this video and watch this video carefully and read the book once. Okay, thank you everyone. Video